Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're going to look at the Samsung SCH-R600. It's also known as the Hue 2. We also have the Hue 1 here to compare it to. Inside, you're going to get your owner's manual. You're going to get your interchangeable faceplate and battery cover. Also, you get your proprietary Samsung charger. This is an aftermarket battery. Looks like they changed it out before, but you're going to get a battery, the phone, and the back cover. On the left side, you have your volume rockers. You have your proprietary Samsung charging port. Nothing on the bottom. On the right side, you have your micro SD card slot. You have your camera key / speakerphone key. 2.5mm headphone jack. On the rear, you have your speaker. On the front, you have your front camera. You have a front color display. And your physical buttons for your music player. Opening up, you got a plastic keypad that lights up in white. And then we'll compare it to the Hue 1, the R500. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.